Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course, we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, can a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with gain X 1200. We actually analyzed this asset in the morning, and of course, it broke out from this trend line and gave us more buying opportunity. And right here, it broke from the structure to buy more. And right now, it is having a pullback. Okay, so if it should break out above this, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, if it should break out above it, it's going to buy more. But if it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more and may likely get to this spot. Okay, this particular spot, it may likely get there. Okay, so this is very, very important. So it is important that we take note of this. Okay, so at the moment it is having a pullback. The pullback might not be long to for it to continue with the uptrend. Okay, so I still believe this is still going to buy more with the structure that it is following, except if it breaks out below this, that is when it's going to sell. Okay, so this should still be more of a buying opportunity than a selling pullback right now. Now let's move on to GainX 999. This is GainX 999. Just like I said, this had been on downtrend for long. We actually moved this particular asset from the beginning till the very end of the trend. Okay, so we have been waiting for it to go back into an uptrend fully, and this is giving us a little signal that it may likely go fully into an uptrend. However, I will advise you, because this had been on a very strong downtrend. Okay, I will advise you to wait for it to break out above this particular trend line before you jump into it. Okay, so we still expect more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity from there, except if it breaks out below this particular support region. That is when it will keep on selling. But for now, it is giving us a signal for an uptrend, just that we want it to break out above this trend line first before we jump into the trade. So keep an eye on it. Okay, so the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Okay, PayNext 1200 had been on downtrend for long, made an attempt to go into an uptrend. We even gave out a signal on this particular asset, but as you can see, it turned back to hit the stop loss. It happens like that because it broke out below this particular support region. That is why it is selling, and it is still selling at the moment. So it will sell until it gets to the next support zone before we can say if it will change the direction of the trend. Okay, now next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is PayNext 999. We also drop a signal for this particular asset within the Telegram channel. I analyzed this asset, and of course, I give us an entry point signal. For those that are having the trading tools, they should have come in somewhere here, but we came in late or within the Telegram channel. Okay, this is where our entry point is, and this is where our stop loss is. Okay, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have been achieved, and this is still selling. Okay, so congratulations to those that have actually taken that signal. Okay, so the next asset is going to be FX volume 80, and it's going to be our last asset for today. Okay, so this has been an uptrend for a very long time, got to this resistance or add a pullback there again, and of course it's giving us a kind of um sell vibe. vibes. Okay, it's trying to go back on downtrend, but it is yet to decide fully. Even though I drop a signal on this particular asset, it is yet to go fully into a sell signal. Okay, if it should break out above this sub resistance zone, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it should sell right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Wait for the right signal before you jump into it. So we expect it to sell, but if it should break out above that resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.